2026 Chevrolet Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Hi everyone, this is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I am back with another uncut, unedited, off-the-cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. Here we have this 26 Chevrolet Equinox LT all-wheel drive. 1.5 liter turbo, great gas mileage, all-wheel drive. Most people think you need that in North Dakota and the surrounding areas. Automatic, of course, alloy wheels, heated cloth seats, power seat, remote starter, Android and Apple connections. So much safety stuff that it would take forever to list. You can see that on our website, theautoramaauto.com. Yeah, again, it's a one owner. It's got a clear Carfax. It's got the balance of factory bumper-to-bumper warranty. You can upgrade that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, let's talk about that here a little bit. Good credit, great credit. We got great rates. We can probably meet your bank or beat it. We're going to save you time and money in that kind of situation. If you have no credit, bad credit, starting out, starting over, we do have lenders that will consider you. The more money you put down, the more likely you are to get the loan. Generally around 20 to 25% on a vehicle like this is going to get you into a loan, or at least they're going to consider you for on this vehicle or one like it if you are in that challenge credit situation there. My salespeople are not paid on profits. That might not sound like a big deal, but that means they're not sitting there haggling you for every last dollar because it doesn't affect their paycheck. So we can do things like, get you pre-approved and tell you your rate, tell you your payment, give you a grand total before you even walk in the door. Tell you your monthly payment, all that good stuff. You go to the big box stores, the big dealers, and that's not even, I'm not even talking the big cities. It happens here in Montana and North Dakota, South Dakota, and these dealers, they won't give you a grand total before you walk in. They won't tell you your payment before you walk in. We don't do business that way. We want to get you to have that information. So that way when you come in, all you got to do is drive the vehicle, and if you decide you like it, we do the paperwork, and you're down the road in 15 minutes. Speaking of paperwork, we're super fast, like I said, about 15 minutes once you're pre-approved. For those of you out of town, and you're paying in full, don't have a trade-in, we got free delivery region-wide from Jamestown to Billings along I-90, from Williston to the Black Hills on 85, from the Black Hills to Billings on I-90, from Minot down to Roadbridge along 83 there. So if you're in this region of the world, everything's far apart, but hey, we got free delivery for most of you within a couple hours, 3-4 hours of Dickinson here. This vehicle does qualify for that. We can do paperwork remotely. We have a pay portal. You can pay remotely. Man, we make it so easy to buy a car. But yet, if you want to come in, spend the day with us, buy the car from us, well, some days we're okay. So you can come in and hang out with us, take as much time as you need. We'll walk you through the process, explain absolutely everything. But if you want something fast, quick, and easy, we also have that option too. Let's get back to the car here. The alloy wheels, factory Michelin's. Got the two-tone cloth in there with a little pattern on there. Got the nice big touch screen, shift paddles, heated steering wheel, heated seats, remote starter, Android and Apple again. Seating for 5. All-wheel drive. Now let's talk about price. I know there's dealers advertising lower prices on similar vehicles. I know this. How do I know this? Because that's how I price our vehicles. I figure it out. But the one thing about Autorama is we believe in transparency. We have no dealer fees, no doc fee, none of that garbage. We have the price you see is the price you pay. Drive away, excluding tax, title, and license, if that applies to you. That's right. The price you see is the price you pay, excluding TTL. So we make it so easy. You call us up, you want a grand total, we have it for you in seconds. We'll email to you, we'll text it to you, we'll call you with it, we'll fax it to you, whatever you want. And that we make it so easy, we make it so transparent. These dealers who won't do that, if they tell you you got to come in to get the best price, you got to come and drive it before we discuss it. Sorry, we don't give out our prices over the telephone, grand totals. It's because they're hiding fees. That price they're advertising, that's $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 cheaper than this. The grand total isn't. I'm sorry, it just isn't. We price very aggressively, but we have honest pricing, so we don't have the lowest advertised price. Yeah, so I think I got it about covered here. I've changed my video format up a little bit. These things used to be like 10 minutes long, so we're shortening it back up. But again, 2026 Chevrolet Equinox LT all-wheel drive, 22,000 miles, one owner. Come and experience the Auto Ram Advantage, folks.